Hello everyone, welcome back to the Guide Up YouTube channel. Today for this video of Guide Up, I will be showing you how to change Yahoo password. Now to do that, open the Yahoo account on the web browser. Open a web browser on your PC and click open a new tab. There on the search bar, you type in yahoo.com and press enter. This will direct you to the official web page of Yahoo. There you need to get logged in with the account credential of yours. Now then you have been logged in, you need to click on the profile name over there at the right side. You click that and then you need to click on settings. Click on setting. It will open the setting personal info page. Here you need to click on account security. Before that you need to verify your account, that is you need to type in the email address and the password. Click on next. Type in the password. Click on next. Now here on the account security page, you need to scroll down and you will have the option of password. You need to click on change password. With this, you will be able to provide a new password for your Yahoo account. Type in the new password on the text box and then click on continue. This will change the password for your Yahoo account. So this is how you can change the password for the Yahoo account. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Guide Up YouTube channel. Thank you.